Veera, you've achieved a lot in 2024. From owning and making a restaurant successful to now owning two restaurants, one bakery, also taking care of the rooms in Kamal Palace, to simultaneously uh, operating a gym and now a app. So this is very
All those things, same to you.
yeah, we have achieved a lot. And do you think something changed in the past couple of years where we were able to do all this? Because I certainly think so,
Absolutely.
right? So I think I actually want to sit down and kind of visit those 4 habits, or rather those 4 points that actually made us win. Okay. Do you think that'll be something valuable for the audience?
I think so.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Veera.
Guys, मैं इतना भावुक हो गया था ना. Sunny Deol. Hi, I'm Sid and welcome to another episode of
The balanced path.
कॉफी का है
आई नहीं अभी.
यार. ये इसी के बारे में तो बात करना. हमने प्लानिंग के हिसाब से कॉफ़ियाँ होनी चाहिए. अगर कॉफ़ी नहीं है तो प्लानिंग ज़ीरो होगी ना.
कभी कभी मेरी प्लानिंग थोड़ी खराब हो जाती है.
फिर ठीक है.
Sometimes
टू err is human.
to err is human.
ऐसा ही होता है ना इंग्लिश में कुछ. तू कॉन्वेंट में पढ़ी, तेरी इंग्लिश ज़्यादा बेटर है.
मेरी तो बहुत ही बकवास.
झूठ मत बोल. अच्छा, ऐसा है दोस्तों कि आई थिंक नंबर 1 इज़ हैविंग अ मॉर्निंग रूटीन. ओके, आई टेल यू व्हाट I make sure I don't do. Okay, then we'll get into like what we do.
I have a question. Why do you say morning routine? Why do you not say routine?
Morning routine as in like first half of the day अगर आपने अपने हिसाब से कर लिया ना,
हाँ.
तो somehow this is me. मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, बाकी का दिन no matter what anomaly comes my way, I will be able to basically figure out a solution to any problem that comes my way. So that's why morning routine. I'm saying like from wake up till the time I get out of the house is my morning routine, for example. ठीक है. I'll tell you what I do not do in any case. Number 1, I don't randomly get up in the morning. I can't do that. I can't get up at say एक दिन 9 बजे उठ रहा हूँ, एक दिन 10 बजे, एक दिन 12 बजे नींद पूरी कर रहा हूँ. नहीं होता है. नींद नहीं भी पूरी होएगी तो I'll make sure I wake up at a certain time. Okay, I just feel when I actually wake up at an intended time, I feel like दिमाग में एक टिक मार्क हो जाता है कि चलो जी, दिन की पहली चीज़ जो मैंने अपने हिसाब से करनी थी वो हो गई है. That's a positive affirmation in my head, and then like kind of gives me more confidence and I feel like okay, now let's see what next to do.
You can conquer the day.
Exactly.
Were you ever the type of a person whose day was like you would wake up at random hours of the day?
See, like when you talk about this, I remember school. और स्कूल में तो एक ही टाइम होता था ना. स्कूल पहुंचना होता था तो मम्मी उठा देती थी. एंड देन आई थिंक इन कॉलेज में भी आई वॉज वन ऑफ दोज पीपल हु, because I used to go to the gym in the evening.
Okay.
And mornings were very like chill. उठ गए, लेट उठ गए, जल्दी उठ गए. लेट मतलब इतना लेट तो कभी भी नहीं हुआ लाइफ में. It was something that was just like उठ जाते थे. But कुछ particular ये नहीं था कि कब उठना है. And I think even in Bombay, I used to wake up according to my work. If I had an early morning PT at 6, I would get up early. अगर मेरी पहली PT 12 बजे है दोपहर में तो मैं चिल करके उठता था. कोई ऐसा सेट नहीं था कि कब उठना है.
What is chill? What was chill?
8:30-9 बजे.
8:30-9.
ये मेरा चिल है. इससे ज़्यादा I remember I have cousins who used to back in school days used to wake up at 12.
That's me.
Nice to meet you.
I'm that cousin.
I could not understand how you can do that. मतलब ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਠਾਂ 12 ਵਜੇ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਪਵੇ ਕਿ ਯਾਰ ਦਿਨ ਅੱਧਾ ਨਿਕਲ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ, ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ हैं ਆਪਾਂ, लाइक हाउ इज़ दैट इवन पॉसिबल. मेरे से नहीं होता. मुझे आज भी बहुत ज़्यादा थका हूँ, बुरी हालत हो, मैं नहीं सो सकता भाई 12 बजे तक. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा अगर मैं थका हूँ, मैं 3 दिन नहीं सोया फिर भी मेरी 10 बजे जाग खुल जाएगी. मतलब मैक्सिमम.
I think I've noticed that with you from the very beginning, like from the last few years that I've known you for. I remember during Inkalab days, especially like on Sundays, I used to wake up, like Sunday for me late is 10 o'clock, so I wake up at 9, 10, sometimes 8, depends on like अगर जल्दी रात को सो गए तो सुबह जल्दी उठ गए, नहीं सोए जल्दी, like we've gone out, met friends, then I wake up slightly later. But it is a day to definitely catch up on sleep. But yeah, like I remember I would talk to you and I would ask you what time would you wake up, and I think your normal like late is 8 o'clock.
So, these days, yes.
Yeah. No, even then, I remember you would wake up at 8 and start programming or doing whatever things you had to do for the gym or like XYZ chores you had to do, you would do those by waking up at 8 o'clock. So I would find it very strange because just like Sunday ko kaun jaldi uthta hai. But I relate to you now. If you're sleeping on time, then obviously there is only a certain period you can be in bed for. You can't just keep pushing it, After that you get like, you're just like, now get up and start doing things. I used to not feel like that, but now I feel like that.
Makes sense.
Somebody is really banging hard on the door.
Coffee's here. Unplanned. Planning बिल्कुल zero होगी. But yeah, if you want me to kind of say in 3 points what आ जाओ जी, आ जाओ. कोई पूछ रहा है अंदर आने को. Welcome. Oh, we have different cups. So if somebody asks me to sum up your morning routine in 3 points, 3 things, let's say I want to and have to do every day. Everybody distracted. I'll just.
आप बस वहाँ पे रख दीजिए, हम ले लेंगे. हाँ जी.
So yeah, if somebody wants me to kind of sum up in 3 points my morning routine, something where I do and I feel okay, now I'm ready for the day. इसमें मेरा ही आएगा ना, क्योंकि you were not interested.
I was not interested.
तू ऐसे देख रही थी ना उधर, तो उसमें आएगा कि तू मेरी बात नहीं सुन रही.
मैं सुन रही थी बात.
अच्छा, एडिट हो जाएगा.
इसको मल्टीटास्क भी कहते हैं, जो मैं कर नहीं सकती. पर
3 things, 3 points. If you tell me, okay, sum up your morning routine in 3 things. 3 things you must do to kind of feel like now you're ready for the day. Number 1 is waking up at a specific time.
Agreed.
I have to wake up at a specific time. Number 2 would be making my bed. Believe it or not, that making of the bed and like उसको अच्छे से एक बारी मैं कर दूँ ना, and that's thanks to you. I'm coming to that. You don't have to be like.
No, I'm just mind blown.
Yeah.
Like, how can anybody say this? Who says who makes their bed?
Veera, I've always made my
You
bed.
may always made your bed, but you say ना कि इतनी सारी चीजें कौन.
हाँ, मतलब उसमें अगर 1500 पिलोज हैं और 4 डिफरेंट तरह की शीट्स हैं और मतलब उस पर ऐसे परफ्यूम फेंकना, वो आई फील इज अननेसेसरी. मेरे लिए बेड बनाना, इवन लाइक व्हेन आई वाज इन बॉम्बे, वाज कि अपनी शीट सेट करके उसके ऊपर तैवे मार के पिलो सेट करके बेड सेट हो गया. अब उसकी ब्यूटिफिकेशन मैंने तेरे से सीखी है कि उसमें बड़े वाले गद्दे आएंगे, फिर छोटे वाले, फिर उससे छोटा गद्दा, फिर यहाँ पे एक पिलो आएगा, पिलो के ऊपर पतला पिलो, मोटा पिलो, मतलब वो वाला जो सीन है. ठीक है, नाउ आई एम, बट वंस आई, द आइडिया व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से हियर इज, वंस आई मेक द बेड एंड आई एम डन विद इट, I take a small check mark in my mind saying, okay, this is done now. Okay, 2 things that I have accomplished like I wanted to in the start of my day. For me, those are 2 mini wins that I stack one on top of the other. Number 3 for me would be meditation. Okay, do you want to get into, like, because we meditate together for 15-20 minutes, we sit down and just like try to concentrate on our breath and gather our thoughts for the day. And do you want to go into a little bit about that?
I'll tell you the steps I do, and then we can
Okay. We'll go to
dive into
Vipassana.
Vipassana. So I think step 1 was obviously waking up on the same time, and that can buffer maybe like 5-10 minutes. Sometimes that usually it started happening in the winter. In the summer, it somehow never happens. I'm always up before my alarm. In the winter, I'm up before my alarm, but the sardi razai che, that thought is true. Like, you feel cold, so you're just like, it feels nice to snuggle. And I give that to myself. Like, I like to feel that, okay, I can enjoy myself for 5 minutes. Number 2 was obviously making the bed, which is something that I don't do. While you were saying this, I just realized that I don't make my bed. But I would also make my bed before the next thing I would do after getting up would be make my bed. And that, why? Because I feel like somehow when I look at a distressed bed, I feel like that about my life. I feel like my when I go walk back home after a long day of work, I don't want to look at that bed in a very bad,
like a clutter.
It sort of makes me feel like my life is.
It's like you kind of, even if you've left your, sorry, I'm cutting you off. Let me know if you resonate with the same thing. If I've left my bed cluttered and I go out into the world and I have that thought of that cluttered bed in my mind, it's like actually कि मेरे दिमाग का वो हाल हुआ हुआ. Like everything is haywire.
Yeah. Also, I feel like it's also in our head, but I feel like it's just something that we do. And it just sort of like, I feel like it's like, okay, like you can control this, you've controlled it, and okay, now move on. I think that, and a part of my morning routine is also to hydrate. Like, I feel like if I just hydrate, it's very small and it's very
No,
silly.
it's not small. It's actually like
That's
Yeah.
like my go-to thing to do. Like, the first thing when I wake up, I want to do is hydrate. I don't know why I do this, but it's sort of like, then I think if I don't do it, then obviously, like, my stomach has whatever, like, I don't go to the loo on time, so I feel like it's just a routine. And I feel like those things, if I just follow that pattern, everything just falls into place.
Yeah, hydration plays a key role. I was recently looking at some very high up ultra runner in terms of like an athlete, and I think he had some points how to become a better runner type, and I love these kinds of videos. And point number one was that you don't hydrate enough. Part of our hydration, even pretty much our complete hydration routine is all thanks to you. The electrolytes we have in the morning, and the collagen that we recently added, the creatine. It's because you hydrate every day, and that is why I've started hydrating, and I feel much better as like whether it's my performance as an athlete or every day in terms of like how my skin looks and stuff like that. Hydration plays a big role.
I feel like also like gut health, like nobody talks about hydration. Sorry, like I'm also really like, I feel like if your gut is fine, you in general feel like you feel great. Like it just you're mentally like more active, and you're physically more active. Of course, the gut, I feel like, plays a very important role in and it's something that people should really pay attention to. And by having sorry I'm saying this, but by having those enzymes and whatever that people keep marketing all the time about, have these digestive enzymes and you'll get
probiotic,
better bowel movement, etc. I think that's like so stupid. Like, you can have water which is for free and just keep hydrating throughout the day, and you are going to be amazing. So I'm not carrying that in my bottle right now, but usually everybody sees that pink bottle everywhere. And honestly, like, just having that bottle around me sort of reminds me constantly that, okay, like, hydrate, and I know how much water I need to consume every day, and I just have that, and it just sort of like, makes me win the whole day. I mean, water, the simplest thing, like, you will be like, pagal hai ladki, kya bol rahi hai, but yeah, like, hydration.
वो तो बोलेंगे ही, वो है भी है, मैं भी बोलता हूँ, but yeah. Nice. So hydration, so simple. Yet
Very simple.
They say the gut is the second brain of the body, right? There's this brain, and then there's a brain here doing so many things. So and something as simple as water, if can kind of make your second brain better, then why not?
Because like a lot of people say कि पानी स्वाद नहीं है, तो भाई पानी कैसे स्वाद हो सकता है?
Sometimes you just have to do things for the sake of doing them, right?
Yeah.
स्वाद नहीं है, अच्छा नहीं है, उसमें नहीं घुसते. अच्छा, so morning routine में wake up on time, hydrate,
and make the bed,
and I think Vipassana. So I'm currently reading a book called 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. I'm sure a lot of people have read it. They say that conquer your mornings. Wake up at 5, and for the next 60 minutes, 20 minutes each, 20 minutes do meditation, 20 minutes do some kind of activity, and I think 20 minutes plan your day, aisa kuch. So I think that's pretty much in line of what we do, though it's a little हम अपने हिसाब से करते हैं. But yeah, what about Vipassana? How does that make you feel once you've gone through that 15-20 minutes of sitting and just like in silence?
Okay. So I'll come back to this. Sorry again, but I just realized while I was talking to you that last year we would do Vipassana because it was so cold and we would feel so cold, and we were not running, of course, in the morning, so we would do Vipassana in the bed. And I remember that while doing Vipassana, I would fall asleep because I was not fully awake. So what?
Cozy.
It was cozy. I was not fully awake, so the first thing I was doing was Vipassana in the morning, and I was doing it surely in my bed. We were sitting in bed and doing it just because out of laziness. Okay, I'll make it very. Thank you very much.
धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया.
And we were just doing it purely out of laziness, or I don't know what the reason for you, but I tend to get lazy.
For the sake of doing it.
For the sake of doing it. And just while talking about Vipassana right now, I realized that how, even though I was trying to be conscious last year, I was not fully conscious because I was falling asleep. But this year, because we do those, we have a before really doing things in the morning, we have a pre-morning routine, which is making our bed. It's sort of like subconsciously wakes us up, so we're not really drowsy. And then when we're actually sitting in meditation, we sort of are aware of what is happening, what thought is coming, what thought is not coming. What it really does for me is that it makes me, it helps me being in the moment, which means that not every day I'm sitting in dhyan and being like, oh wow, like my third eye is open, but it's more about ki what I'm going to do throughout the day. I'm conscious about that,
Right.
whether it is going on that run, or whether it's like taking a business decision, or whether it's just like speaking to someone. Like earlier, I feel like I come as a very I can be very harsh as a person sometimes, and I don't realize that when I speak to people, because for me, like, I think I'm so righteous that I say things that might actually, I would
Offend
want to
somebody.
benefit the other person, but I would offend the other person. So I feel like with Vipassana, what I've become is like slightly more conscious of how I've become more empathetic, you can say. I think a little bit before trying to make a decision, and it's not a rushed I'm not responding. I'm not reacting.
You're
I'm
not reacting,
responding.
you're responding. Yeah. I think that's perfectly what I would say. For me, Vipassana has given me the ability to simply pause. Pause before reacting to something that I don't like. Maybe it's something that somebody told me, said to me that I don't like. I don't have to like suddenly be like, I can actually pause, think about it and respond. Same thing with a business problem. And हॉस्पिटैलिटी बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम अगर दिन की एक नहीं आई तो मतलब कुछ सही नहीं चल रहा है भाई. सो अगर बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, इंस्टेड ऑफ लाइक खफरा दफरी मचाने में, विच वी सी a lot of people doing, we actually have the ability to pause, think, and then take a decision, which usually ends up in our benefit.
Yeah.
So I think simple things like having a specific time to wake up, spending 10 to 15 minutes just sitting. Meditation doesn't have to be a very technical thing. You can just sit with your eyes closed and just concentrate on your breath or the thoughts coming into your, because इनिशियली बहुत कुछ दिमाग भागता है ना, कभी इधर चला गया, कभी उधर चला गया, कभी गाड़ी में बैठ गया, कभी यहाँ, कभी एक्स. दैट्स द होल आइडिया. यू जस्ट हैव टू सी के जब आप स्टिल हो, दिमाग क्या कर रहा है ना, कहाँ भाग रहा है, क्या सोच रहा है, एंड कीप ऑन लुकिंग एट दैट एंड you'll start having a better idea of what's happening. And like something as simple as making your bed or brushing your teeth. Have a morning routine, believe me, you will ace the rest of the day. I mean, that's at least what's happened for us.
For sure. While I say this, I also want to add to the fact that, a lot of people say that how do you have this energy in the morning? It's probably because of the morning routine that we have. Because we're not just walking into things in our sleep, we're walking into things fully aware of what we're going to do. And that just makes a difference. I feel like that makes you, because you're consciously making that effort to reach somewhere. And you're awake fully before that, not just getting out of bed and reaching somewhere. So that, I think, really is a game changer.
Agreed. Wonderful. Point number 2 is control the controllables. Wow. This is something I have kind of learned through CrossFit. So CrossFit, if you don't know,
Not me.
is like a lot of different movements that you have to perform, maybe in a given time or a given week, whatever. So control the controllables in CrossFit respect would be like get better at things that you're good at. Let's say I'm great at a handstand push-up. I want to get better at it. It's controllable rather than the fact that I can't do a muscle up, for example. Okay, yes, also dwell into that, but control the controllables. Control the controllables, like there's this beautiful piece from Buddha, okay? So he says that if somebody comes up to you and abuses you, okay, think of it as somebody giving you a gift. That abuse is a gift. Now it is up to you. Do you want to take that gift?
Or not take it.
And if you don't take that gift, who is that gift going to go to?
Back to
The person who's trying to give you a gift. So 99.9%, me included, if somebody comes up to me and like, abuses me, I will be like, hey, hello, kya hua?
Behave yourself.
Behave yourself. What the F, whatever. But then if I choose, again, that ability to pause from that Vipassana in the morning, if I can pause and see, yaar, pata nahi banda kahan se irritated aaya hoga, jo इस हद तक पहुंच गया कि he or she had to come in front of me and abuse me. कितना अंदर went up एंगर फ्रस्ट्रेशन होगी कि एक्चुअली मुझे कन्फ्रंट करके मुझे गाली दे रहा है, या तो मेरी बहुत बड़ी गलती है कोई, और अगर नहीं है तो आई कैन बी पॉज एंड आई बी लाइक यू नो ओके, आई मीन calm down, nothing to be abusive about. So control the control. मेरा कंट्रोल मेरे थॉट्स, मेरे इमोशंस, मेरी फिजिकलिटी, इन चीज़ों के ऊपर है. कोई क्या कर रहा है
उस पर मेरा थोड़ी ना कंट्रोल
नहीं है. सो हम चाहते हैं कि हम लोगों को हेल्प करें, किसी की सेवा करें, दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है उसकी टेंशन लें, बट सबसे पहले आई थिंक वी हैव टू, चैरिटी स्टार्ट्स एट होम, एंड होम बीइंग आवर ओन माइंड एंड बॉडी, वी हैव टू टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ दैट फर्स्ट. ओनली देन वी विल बी एबल टू टेक एन इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन विच माइट एंड अप helping somebody else. So control the controllables, right? एंड लाइक अ मॉर्निंग रूटीन इज कंट्रोलेबल ना. कितने बजे मैंने उठना है मैं कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ. मैंने कौन सी टूथपेस्ट से ब्रश करना है मैं कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ, राइट? मैंने अपना बेड बनाना या नहीं बनाना ये मेरा एक डिसीजन है, आई कैन कंट्रोल दैट. एज अपोज टू मैं सुबह उठा, रन पे जाना था लेकिन बारिश पड़ गई, इट्स अनकंट्रोलेबल ना. मैं बाहर जाके खड़ा हूँ और भगवान को बोलूँगा अरे भगवान तू चाहता नहीं मैं रनिंग करूँ, कोई मतलब नहीं है ना. मतलब कहते हैं कि जैसे द ईजिएस्ट इमोशन इन लाइफ इज़ टू बी डिप्रेस्ड. नथिंग अगेंस्ट एनीबडी, बट to be happy you have to do things, you have to kind of get out of your you have to effort. But being sad is like मैं sad हो जाता हूँ, बाहर मौसम बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं है अलवीरा, it's so easy, like I can, but in order to be happy I have to do things like, you know. So I think control the controllables. What are your thoughts on what do you control in your, like, let's say decision making life?
So I think control the controllables, I'll talk about it. I think it's a very deeper, it's a very deep question, and I think I was very, I speak about this a lot in my reels, and which is basically that I was constantly, like I said, I was very triggered. I would feel very upset. I'm very emotional as a person, and I would feel very upset about anything and everything. Like something went wrong at work, I would feel upset. Somebody got hurt, I would feel upset. Somebody said bad about not even
some other person,
you, not even me, like
मेरे
you,
बारे में
हाँ,
कुछ बोलेगा फिर
से-
तो अपसेट हो जाना भाई.
नहीं मतलब मैं उसमें क्या कर सकती हूँ ना, like it's somebody's thought, right? What can I do
खड़ी हो
about
जा
it?
जाके कि हेलो,
But the thing is that
getting it, yeah.
that's not the point. The point is not that. So yeah, I think something that I've learned over the last year is how to control what I am feeling, and I'm talking about it in terms of emotion, what I am feeling, because again, it's my choice to respond and not to react. Right? And that just basically just transforms into a lot of things that you do, whether you're doing, again, whether you're working, whether you're not working, working out, like it transforms into a lot of things. For instance, now I'll give a very small example. Like when we look at people's Instagrams, और आजकल वो देखना easy है, हम देखते हैं और उनको देखकर हम कहते हैं कि अरे यार ये कुछ भी बोल रहा है, if we did it much better. But you're saying, you're not doing anything about it. Just by sitting behind a screen, you can't just be like, I could have done it better. You do something about it, and then, you know, obviously people would believe you more.
Yeah.
You know? So there's something very simple, like doing something about it.
No, you're right. Like, in order to control, you have to put in action, effort.
You have to put in action, yeah.
It's like, let's talk in terms of business, the restaurant business. What is controllable is the quality of food. It is in our hands. To make sure that a dish is delivered with the same presentation and taste over and over again is controllable. To have good staff is controllable. But if a staff member gets, ill, is not controllable. So I can't be like angry with that person saying तुझे बुखार क्यों चढ़ा? भाई उसको चढ़ गया बुखार यार, it's fine.
It's fine.
Move on. Something like, controllable again, like quantity, quality, these are all controllable, like you can put these into numbers. So how I kind of deal with this is like, whenever whatever happens in life कि अच्छा ये हुआ है, so in my mind I'm like, is this controllable or is it uncontrollable? If it's controllable, I'll do something about it, or at least find somebody who can do something about it, for example. If it's uncontrollable, then even spending a second on it लाइक कि जी बारिश होगी, नहीं होनी चाहिए थी, अगर मैं 5 सेकंड भी ये सोचने में लगा रहा हूँ कि बारिश क्यों हो रही
कि
है,
मेरे साथ यूजुअली क्या होता है कि मेरे साथ ही होता है ये.
मेरे साथ होता है कुछ भी, फिर वो तो
Then you're just
विक्टिम
dwelling-
मेंटालिटी आ गई
हाँ.
ना कि यार हाय मैं मेरा ये हो गया, मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है, मेरे साथ अच्छा नहीं होता. तो वो अनकंट्रोलेबल है. क्या कंट्रोलेबल है? अगर बारिश हो रही है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरा बाहर ओपन में फंक्शन है, ठीक है, एंड आई हैव टेकन एन एडवांस फ्रॉम let's say people, and suddenly it rains. Raining is uncontrollable. What is controllable is to have a backup planned.
बिल्कुल.
कि यार बारिश पड़ गई, मुझे पता है मैंने अपना इंटरनल हॉल है जो बंद हॉल है, वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी मैंने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऐसी की है कि वो सारी की सारी पार्टी वहाँ जा सकती है, इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टैंडिंग देयर सेइंग और गेस्ट के साथ गेस्ट की 4 बातें
We are
नहीं
so
सुनो.
sorry. बारिश हो रही
So easy actionable thing is like everything that happens to you, ask yourself, is this controllable or is it uncontrollable? If it's controllable, do something about it. If it's uncontrollable, let it go. कुछ नहीं होने वाला, आगे बढ़ो.
फॉर इंस्टेंस वेट लॉस जर्नी में लोग बीमार हो जाते हैं कई बारी. जब बीमार होते हैं तो कहते हैं हम तो बीमार हो गए थे, इसलिए
इतना
हमारे से
अच्छा चल रहा था.
इतना अच्छा चल रहा था. ठीक है, बीमार आप 3-4 दिन के लिए हो, 1 हफ्ते के लिए हो, उसके बाद तो ठीक हो गए ना, देन गेट बैक ऑन प्लान. सो डोंट डिवेल इनटू द फीलिंग ऑफ द नेगेटिव इमोशन बिकॉज दैट इज ईजी. Do hard things.
Do hard things. Suck it up, buttercup. Wonderful. So control the controllables. That is something that we definitely do. Next is plan and execute. There's a beautiful saying which says that if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. I've said this numerous times and I totally live by it now.
You say it to everybody.
Probably 5 years when we were doing Inqilab, I was the opposite. मतलब मैं कभी भी प्लान नहीं करता था. Everything was last moment.
Up until I think last year, Siddharth, not last year, 2 years back, 3 years back.
कुछ
Zoka.
चीज़ें प्लानिंग में थी, जैसे वर्कआउट्स प्लान थे हफ्ते के टाइप्स, थोड़ी चीज़ें, बट कुछ चीज़ें बिल्कुल नहीं प्लान थी. कि फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने डलहौजी जाना, अगर मैंने अगले हफ्ते जाना है, कब जाना है, किस दिन जाना है, कैसे जाना है, किसके साथ जाना है, वो 1 घंटा पहले डिसाइड होगा कि जी हम स्पॉन्टेनियस हैं. दैट इज़ जस्ट हाउ आई लाइक्ड. मे बी आई डेंट हैव एनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑन माई हेड. इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक यार प्लानिंग की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है.
You still don't have any responsibility. What responsibility?
आई हैव योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
Come on, don't be so cliche.
आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर यू. या
Come on, don't be so cliche.
I don't have any responsibility. I do have a responsibility of, say, people who are working in Zoka. Like somehow I'm responsible for them in terms of making sure the business does well, so they do well. But I'm saying तब इतना नहीं था. It was like कि मैंने क्लास लेनी है, जो पैसे आने हैं वो मतलब मैंने ही कमाने हैं, थोड़े कम कमा लूँगा, ज़्यादा कमा लूँगा, बिग डील. मतलब obviously there was you, there was Jassab, and everybody was doing their thing, so I was like whatever. So in terms of planning, मैं financial planning की भी बात करता हूँ. चल,
I was going to come there.
as a business, Inqilab had no financial planning. ठीक है, it did in terms of accounts वगैरह was sorted. We had a great accountant who we still have in our other business as well. But कुछ ऐसा नहीं था कि कुछ सेव करके मतलब हमने कुछ इन्वेस्ट कर दिया, या इट वाज ऑलवेज लाइक इतने पैसे बनाए, चलो जी या पुल कर लिए, अपने पास रख लिए, या खर्च दिए. मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
I think honestly, like I think Inqilab was an MBA, like a apprenticeship.
Yes, you could say that. I think what you're trying to say is that we learnt a lot from it.
We learned a lot
Agreed,
because
agreed,
I feel like if that wouldn't have happened, if we didn't learn how to basically, we realized from there that how we had not financially planned, and that's how we basically feel like we're doing all these things. I always say this because I feel like that was like a stepping stone in my life. Like Inqilab was a stepping
No,
stone
I'm
in my
saying
life.
whatever. I'm certainly not taking anything away from Inqilab days. If I get the choice to do that over again,
Of
I
course
would,
we would do it,
not
not
change
change
anything. I
anything.
would not change anything because it was amazing. What I'm trying to say is like, okay, tell me if this is planned or not. I was working in Bombay.
Huh.
I was doing PTs. I was training celebrities, making good money. Also working at a CrossFit gym, and like अच्छा था. सीन ऐसा था कि 2-3 घंटे काम करता था दिन में, and the rest of the day I was usually free. 2-3 घंटे workout because काम ऐसा था. ठीक है. Now me and Vishwas we decide, and Jassa we decide कि जलंधर आते हैं, वहाँ पे हम CrossFit box खोलेंगे और 4 महीने मैं यहाँ रहूँगा, कोचेस को रेडी करके सेटअप करके 4 महीने में मैं वापस चले जाऊँगा बॉम्बे. दैट वाज द प्लान. उस हिसाब से मैं वहाँ से कपड़े लेके आया था. मतलब 4 महीने के लिए. वो 4 महीने के 4 साल हो गए भाई. सो मतलब इट वॉज ऑल लास्ट मोमेंट. मैं वहाँ से ये नहीं सोच के आया कि तो चलो अब मेरी लाइफ जो है लिटरली आई एम गोइंग टू अपरूट माई लाइफ फ्रॉम बॉम्बे वेयर आई हैव बीन लिविंग फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 13 years and now start living in my hometown Jalandhar. I'm going to go back and live there. No, it was like, oh, okay, I'm coming back home, which was Bombay. And once I'm here, 4 months later, 5-6 months, even Vishwas, who was my roommate back in Bombay, is like, bro, what the fuck, man? Are you coming, not coming? Because वहाँ पे रेंट वेंट का भी सीन होता था ना यार. हाफ रेंट था एंड सडनली लाइक मैंने सीधा उस पर बोझ डाल दिया. वो भी नहीं सोचा कि मतलब मैं यहाँ आ गया तो मैंने रेंट देना बंद कर दिया कि मैं वहाँ रह नहीं रहा. बट कोई बात नहीं की उससे कि भाई अब रेंट तू देख लेगा, संभाल लेगा, मैं थोड़ा तुझे हेल्प करूँ. नथिंग, अनप्लैंड, है ना. एंड यू सी हाउ नॉट बीइंग प्लान्ड अफेक्टेड सो मेनी पीपल. अफेक्टेड हिम, अफेक्टेड आवर फ्रेंडशिप फॉर सम टाइम. सोचता ही होगा बंदा कि भाई कहाँ रह गया. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज कुछ भी नहीं प्लान था, है ना. एंड वही वाली अनप्लैंड एटीट्यूड मैं बिजनेस में लेके आया. ठीक है, वो तो अच्छा है कि तू थी वहाँ पे, बिलीव इट और नॉट, यू नो, कि वो लिखना कि कितनी फ़ीस आ गई है. हमें तो यही नहीं पता, मुझे जिससे को यही नहीं पता होता था किसकी फ़ीस आई है किसकी नहीं. ना ही हम मतलब विच इज़ लाइक एक तरफ देखो कि हाँ बहुत मस्त मिलेंगे, एक तरफ देखो कि भाई फिर धंधा मत करो ना यार, फिर चैरिटी हो कि कोई भी आए जाए. सो उसके बाद एज़ कम्पेयर टू टुडे I would say 80% of the things that I do in life are planned. I have a business plan for my app. I know how many clients I want to onboard at what time, as in like quarter का मेरे पास हुआ है टारगेट. उस टारगेट को मैंने ब्रेक डाउन करके ये बोला हुआ कि अगर मुझे लेट्स से एक्स अमाउंट ऑफ क्लाइंट्स चाहिए, उसके लिए पर मंथ मुझे इतने चाहिए होंगे, पर डे इतने चाहिए होंगे, उसके लिए मुझे ये करना होगा. मेरे पास लिखा हुआ है और मैं वो कागज़ को रोज़ उठा के रोज़ देखता हूँ कि अच्छा इसमें से अब मैंने क्या करना है क्या नहीं. चाहे मैं 10 मिनट लगाऊँ उस प्लान की तरफ, मैं करता हूँ. So what I'm trying to say is like things have changed dramatically when it comes to planning. And I would want to kind of, not just for the sake of saying it, I would want to say that you have been a big part in terms of making sure I plan things, because you're a great nagger. You can nag somebody to death. ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, करता हूँ कल करता हूँ, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये कर लिया, ये कर लिया, ये फ़ोन किया, ये फ़ोन किया. लाइक भाई ये तो प्लान कर लो भाई, ये तो मार देगी तुम्हें नैग कर करके.
अब मैंने डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजी करी है, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स ऑन योर so many things on your in your day. So now I started asking you, then I give a confirmation on Google Calendars. Nitish also got it this time, so that we
Google
both
Calendar works.
yeah. So now I'm just like ठीक है. I'm also I feel like over these few years I've not realized the like I'll say it today, I never say it, that I do a lot of work. And people might say whatever, but I do a lot of work and I don't realize. मैं इतना काम करती हूँ कभी-कभी मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता कि मैं कर क्या रही हूँ. So I feel like वो इतना plan you have started planning. I feel like I just realized कि ये भी चीज़ आ रही है मेरे पे, ये भी चीज़ आ रही है, ये भी चीज़ आ रही है. So now I started learning from you as to how to organize my day, because I just feel like I can't remember those. Earlier what would happen is I would remember कि चार चीज़ें करनी है दिन में, तो 4 चीज़ें मैं कर लेती थी. Now I feel like I have so much on my plate and I wouldn't have it any other way. I love it. But it's just that I now, like 2025, the first thing I started doing is like started putting everything on the calendar, because I'm never going to open up a diary,
right.
Honestly speaking. Like the phone keeps prompting me, अच्छा अभी ये है, तो अब मुझे याद है ये. Like I remember, what are you doing? So yeah, now I remember that. Okay, now I started doing that in the calendar, and obviously started putting it down.
And that now really kind of helps when you get that notification, like अच्छा अभी
है. Like today I got a notification and I remembered, but I've also like forgotten the last time that we had an episode to shoot. That's because after confirming only, there is so much chaos in my brain that I forget sometimes, and I would never forget anything. Like I always show up. I'm that person that sometimes when I actually have to reach an appointment, और गलती से अगर मैं late हो गई, और late मतलब 5 मिनट max, तो लोग मुझे phone करके पूछते हैं, मैम आप ठीक हो, आप आए नहीं. Like I reach before time. Like I'm not late, other than social gatherings, which
are very late to.
Which somehow I end up being a little late to.
They say punctuality is the trait of royalty.
Agree.
So I think that really matters. इसलिए आज मैं चाहे 5 मिनट पहले आ गया हूँ, 10:55 पे आ गया, but I made sure I came. Wow. So plan. if you fail to plan, you plan to fail is 100% correct. I think planning something as simple as, sorry, go for it.
Planning something as simple as?
Like लोग कहते हैं कि यार जिम जाने का दिल नहीं करता सुबह
हाँ.
ना, so something as simple as like taking out your gym clothes consciously
At night.
at night for the morning, और उनको सामने ऐसी जगह रखो कि तुम सुबह उठो तो वो दिखें आपको. Now you have one more reason to go to the gym, because you will have 10 reasons to not go. The mind is very good at taking out reasons not to do something. ठंड है, मुझे ज़ुकाम हो गया है, मेरा घुटना दुख रहा है, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मतलब
आज बहुत ठंड है.
आज वाला मुझे शेड्यूल नहीं पसंद, ये वाला वर्कआउट मुझे बर्पीज नहीं पसंद. Now looking at those clothes that you've consciously taken out at night is one more reason for you to actually go. And one reason in your favor is, and the end of the day, in the long term, is always going to be something that will work in your favor. As simple as that. What were you saying?
Agree. No, I was saying that I've lost my thought, but
Sorry, I cut you off.
taking something as simple as, yes, taking your clothes, like that's what we do. We completely plan our day, whether जिस दिन running day है उस दिन electrolytes बाहर होते हैं, bottles बाहर होती हैं, कपड़े बाहर होते हैं, मतलब रोज होते
उठते
हैं.
सारी ऐसे होता है कि अच्छा ये करना है कुछ,
हाँ.
मतलब ये नहीं कि मिस हो गया कि
Like in the
भाग रहे हैं
morning,
तो
I
पानी
don't want
नहीं
to.
है.
In the morning, I don't want to forget something, or I don't want to stand there and see कि आज मैं कौन सी tights पहनूं. Like no, I don't want to do that. I just want everything to be like quick, get in and
Organized.
get out.
Nice.
You know.
Wonderful. So planning is point number 3 that's really helped us kind of figure
Yeah, I
things
was
out.
coming out at plan. Like a lot of people plan, like they have really big plans, but they don't execute it. So I feel like that is very important, because I feel like along with planning, a lot of perfection comes, because you're so scared to present the product or the idea or whatever. You're so scared. You're so critical of yourself that what will people think when you. Because you've planned, सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है, but in your head, that is only a plan till you don't execute it. You have to execute it.
Unless
And
it'll only be like a
like,
idea or a plan.
Yeah, absolutely. Because yes, it is going to be, maybe it's not the best. Maybe it's not 100% the first day. That's fine. You can build on that plan. You can build on that idea. But just go for it. Like, don't forget to execute your plan. That is important.
Because I mean, I've also been there where a very nice idea comes into my mind. I'm discussing it with my friend, and then they're also happy कि बहुत सही है, और हमने दिमाग में उस आइडिया को एग्जीक्यूट करके सक्सेसफुल भी बना दिया है, और इतने खुश हो गए हैं कि वो वहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाता है.
मैं ये आइडियाज तोड़ने वाली हूँ, ये मैं तोड़ती हूँ बहुत सारे.
तोड़ दी है तू, हाँ. And always have a person who you discuss your ideas to, who can give you like some real talk. They can take out the bullshit and ask you questions saying अच्छा ये कैसे होगा, ये कैसे होगा. In your mind, according to Naval Ravikant, you make leaps. जब मेरे दिमाग में आइडिया आएगा ना, मैं कहूँगा अच्छा ये आइडिया है, उसके बाद ये होगा, अब उसके बाद ये होगा मैं एक ब्लैंक वो है जो मैंने फिल ही नहीं किया बिकॉज मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है. बट व्हेन समबडी कम्स एंड यू नो आस्क्स मी कि यार ये A to B के बीच में जो गैप है ये कैसे फिल होगा, देन आई विल हैव टू थिंक. आई एम फोर्स्ड टू थिंक कि हाँ यार ये मतलब कैसे होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे दिमाग में आइडिया कि हाँ मैं आज जलंधर बैठा हूँ, फिर मैं दिल्ली पहुँच गया. अब मैं तुझे प्रेजेंट करूँगा कि यार मैं जलंधर से दिल्ली पहुँचा, एंड यू कैन आस्क मी भाई कैसे पहुँचा तू दिल्ली, शताब्दी तो चल नहीं रही, या फिर फ्लाइट्स तो कैंसिल हो गई हैं, तो पैदल गया. एंड देन आई हैव टू काइंड ऑफ go back to that you know initial phase and be like okay I haven't thought about it, और काफ़ी चीज़ें वहीं fizzle out हो जाती हैं.
Real talk.
Like they say that ideas are like an ass, everybody has one, but it's the execution that matters. And I've read a lot of some Indian entrepreneurs who before opening their startup, I think 3 or 4 people said that we will not start a startup until we've pinpointed what we want to do in terms of what problem we want to solve. And उससे पहले they said कि पहले हम 100 problems लिखेंगे एक एक्सेल शीट जो सब में शेयर्ड है, तो एक एक करके जो जो डेली प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं वो लिखी जाओ जब तक 100 नहीं हो जाती. तो कहता हमें लगा था कि 100 प्रॉब्लम्स महीने में हो जाएगी, बट इट टुक 3 months. करते करते जब 100 प्रॉब्लम्स होगी ना, उसमें से हमने एक प्रॉब्लम निकाली, और वो जो 100 प्रॉब्लम्स है कहते हैं हम सबको देते हैं वो शीट कि तुम भी लो.
Is this Alex Harmonzi?
No, this is some Indian entrepreneurs. I don't remember who. Some I think some people from Gujarat or somebody, and they're like, we are not scared of sharing our ideas, 100 ideas with, because anybody can have those 100 ideas sitting on a desk and just looking at them until somebody actually chooses one idea and executes
True,
them.
true,
And
true.
then the execution also matters ना.
Absolutely.
राइट अब हमने जिम खोला है तो जिम तो बहुत है, ठीक है, तो हमने भी कुछ सोच समझ के खोला है. इट्स नॉट लाइक यार जिम तो ऑलरेडी है, यार रेस्टोरेंट तो ऑलरेडी है, हम क्यों
True.
खोलें. इट्स हाउ यू एग्जीक्यूटेड.
True.
सो या प्लान.
I think I have a great example on
हाँ
this,
जी.
which is basically, if you remember the first day we were supposed to open Zoka again, I bring this up. I was just like, it's not how I want this place to be. And obviously, like we had done the food trials, and I was like, we are not ready. And remember, Sunil ji was like, it's okay, just till the time you don't start, you will not understand what the problems are, and when you start, you will understand what the problems are. So I
Exactly.
feel like that time it seemed like, I don't know why he's doing this and he's being very pushy, but like I can't thank him enough, because I feel like, yes, it took, it's still not, like I said in my last episode, in our last episode also, that it takes time to get wherever you want to be, and you just keep getting better and better. Like there is nothing known as perfection. I didn't say perfect. I said you can keep getting better and better. There is always scope for improvement. But yeah, like you can't open with something perfect. I don't
You
think
can't.
it's
It's how the marketing people say, what is your MVP, what is your minimal viable product, है ना.
yeah.
अगर if it's वहाँ पे हो तो फिर execute कर, फिर build on होता रहता है यार. Perfection as a founder, perfection के बारे में, अच्छा ये नहीं, अभी ये भी होने वाला, अभी ये भी होने वाला, ये भी.
जैसे मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं for business
तुझे तो
related.
जोका अभी भी नहीं परफेक्ट लगता होगा, और आज कितने साल हो गए?
3
साल हो गए. अभी भी ऐसी चीजें होंगी जो कि आज अगर तूने खोलना हो जोका, लेट से खुला ना हो,
हाँ.
जैसे अभी जोका है,
हाँ.
क्या तू खोल पाएगी ये पुरानी वीरा खोल पाएगी कि
don't
अभी
think
भी
so.
मतलब उसको होंगी कि यार
I
ये
would
नहीं हुआ,
keep
ये
like
नहीं हुआ, ये
sitting
नहीं
in
हुआ.
like वो करते नहीं कि मतलब हाँ, like you try to, you know, when they say that you, like it's a problem, right? It's like it's dysmorphia, but unseen dysmorphia, like in some way or the other, like you can't see the reality somehow, you know. Similarly with even like I'll tell you something about Instagram or working out. I thought I was not good enough, so I never posted on Instagram. I was just like, let me get better. अच्छा, अब अगर उन्होंने देख लिया तो फिर CrossFit times में कि अरे I can do a muscle up, then they'll know, then they'll also start doing a muscle up. ऐसे नहीं होता यार. Like
And how many deals have you done? More than 100?
I've done 108, I think.
So if you look at your first reel and you look at your 108th reel, कितना फर्क
बहुत
पड़ा,
फर्क
है ना.
है.
मतलब it will be like crazy in terms
There's
of
such a
how you
difference.
record, how you're speaking, your transitions. And again, if that number one did not have come out, तो 108 पे नहीं पहुंच सकती.
नहीं पहुंच
108 हो गए, श्री 108 हो गई हो आप. Wonderful. Last point I want to touch base is like something that I started without realizing the weightage of it is the gratitude journaling every day. Okay, and numerous messages, सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे messages fitness के नहीं आते, nutrition के नहीं आते, वो gratitude journaling के आते हैं on my reels. That this is amazing, this is very cool, we have also started it and it has changed our life. For example, now what are you grateful for from say yesterday, like some small thing?
You're just putting me on the
Point, yeah.
on point.
See, this is the best part about this exercise, it makes you think.
Yeah, I think just that everybody's like, I don't know if I'm like, I don't know. I am definitely grateful. Like yesterday I was sitting with my dadi and like she was feeling better and she was not feeling better 2-3 days back, and I'm grateful that she's begun to feel better.
See
And-
how like you could kind of
yeah, and this
And-
morning also I
Uh-huh.
got a thought. Like I'm like literally sitting in Vipassana and I'm like, you know what? Why is she like feeling a little disoriented? Is because maybe we did a blood test and a sodium was low, and I was like, maybe let's give her salt. So like just things like this, you know, just keep crossing. So I'm really grateful for basically, you know, how things went.
So one small thing, okay.
Yeah, one
done.
small thing.
Okay. Now let's say I'm grateful. Yesterday I met a friend from Bombay. You also met him, Gunjit, and old memories, and it was fun. Choti si baat. Now the thing about the gratitude journaling every day is it will make you think.
Yeah.
It will make you fish out those little things that happen in life. Something as simple as getting your lunch on time is also something of gratitude. कि
Yeah.
मैं 2 बजे खाना खाता हूँ, मुझे 2 बजे खाना मिल गया is again लोगों को नहीं मिलता यार. Right? If I could wake up in the morning and get in a 1 hour, 1.5 hour रन सेशन और जिम सेशन, आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर इट.
Yeah.
लोगों के पास नहीं टाइम होता यार, वो निकाल नहीं सकते या उनका माइंड सेट नहीं होता. मेरा है यार, मेरे पास टाइम भी है, मैंने निकाला हुआ है, माइंड सेट भी मैंने वैसा बनाया हुआ है, एंड आई एम ऑल्सो एथलेटिकली केपेबल
Of
ऑफ
doing.
एक्चुअली डूइंग दैट रन. और छोटी छोटी चीज़ें. यस्टरडे आई वाज सॉरी.
I said I also remembered another thing I'm grateful for.
या
Yes, from yesterday.
बताओ.
I ran really well, and I'm grateful to that.
इस रन के बारे में मैं 50-100 बार सुन चुका हूँ.
Yeah, really.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा था. But what I'm trying to say, yesterday I was talking to a client and he also talked about gratitude journaling. And I was like, okay, so we have an online plan which is a one-on-one personalized fitness and nutrition plan with habit building. It is something that requires a minimum commitment of 90 days. 90 days से नीचे we don't take clients. Right now it's full, but I had a slot, so I was talking to him yesterday and he was like, I really like the idea of gratitude journaling. I said, like, if you on this plan are able to do 90 days of gratitude journaling every day, I'm saying maybe you miss a couple of days, 70 days, okay? The day you're feeling low, you can pick up that journal and now you can look at 70 different things that you were grateful for in your life, and how life, when you weigh your evens and odds, how things that are good have happened to you more times than maybe today where something did not go according to plan.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Like, I have been doing gratitude journaling for more than 250 days. मेरे पास 250 चीज़ें हैं जो मैं आज भी खोल के देखता हूँ. वो छोटी चीज़ें मैं कहता हूँ यार, life is freaking wonderful.
Yeah.
Right? So I think gratitude journaling is something that everybody should do. It just because we take our lives for granted.
Of course we do. हाँ.
हम कहते हैं यार हाँ, ये भी है, ये भी सब कुछ है, फ़ोन भी है हमारे पास, खाना भी अच्छा मिल रहा है, कपड़े वपड़े डाल रहे हैं, जॉब है हमारे पास, वट एवर, राइट है ना, फैमिली है, मम्मी पापा हैं, कोई बात नहीं है ना, दादा दादी हैं, कोई बात नहीं, इसमें क्या है. बट वंस यू सिट डाउन एंड यू स्टार्ट, अच्छा पहले कुछ दिन ना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. यू फील लाइक ए मिजरेबल पर्सन. यू सिट डाउन, यू आर लाइक, व्हाट एम आई ग्रेटफुल फॉर टुडे. आज तो कुछ ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं. बट भाई तुम्हें सांसें भी आ रही हैं ना, तो यू शुड बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट, बिकॉज जिस दिन सांस नहीं आई तो उस दिन ख़त्म ना, केस क्लोज. सो या, आई मीन दैट इज समथिंग आई रियली फील एवरीबडी शुड डू.
True.
Gratitude journaling.
Agreed. It made me from a shitty person to a lesser shitty person.
Yeah, still shitty but less shitty. Okay, bonus point that I want to discuss. Number 5, which wasn't planned, but I'm going to throw it at you, is all is well.
Of course, all is well.
4 things I told you. Morning routine, है ना? Then we had planning. Then we had control the controllables, and finally we had gratitude. Now there will be days where one of these things, or maybe all 4, will not be possible.
All is well, or it's not the end of the world?
It's not the end of the world. All is well. It's okay. It's okay. Like, if you've planned something and you could not execute it for XYZ reasons, there is nothing to sit down and be like कि भाई दुनिया खत्म होगी, कोई बात नहीं, move on. I think somehow, somewhere, like, we talk about consistency. Everything has to be done in consistency. If I work out for 5 days in a week, the week I will not work out for 5 days and I've only worked out for 3 days does not mean I've lost the battle.
Of course.
It just means that I was still consistent for 3 days. Now next week I will try to make that 5 again. So end of the world कुछ भी नहीं है, ठीक है. Let's say we make content, right? And content को, if we have to kind of measure it in terms of likes or shares, there's some content that does extremely well. Like, you'll be like, क्या डाल दिया इसमें ऐसा कि इतना अच्छा लग रहा है लोगों को. And then there's some content you put a lot of thought into and then it ends up being okay or less than mediocre.
Yeah.
Now, अगर तू और मैं डेली व्लॉग बनाता हूँ, है ना, अगर मैं रोज़ ये बैठ के सोचने लग पड़ा कि यार कल तो मुझे 1000 लाइक्स आए थे, आज सिर्फ 500 आए हैं, तो लाइफ ख़त्म है, पीपल आर नॉट लाइकिंग मी, मतलब भाई मेरा तो गुजारा ही मुश्किल हो जाएगा ना. सो इसलिए इट्स ओके, मतलब कि आपने प्लान एंड एग्जीक्यूट के हिसाब से मैंने अपनी रील बनाई, उसको पोस्ट कर दिया, ख़त्म, मेरा काम ख़त्म है उस दिन का. अब मैं अगले दिन अगली डालूंगा. वो कैसी करती है, उसका जो कहते हैं मूल है ना, मॉरल उसका, मुझे ये पता कि मैं ये इसलिए डाल रहा हूँ बिकॉज ये रील्स लोगों को हेल्प कर रही है. और अगर वो एक बंदे को भी हेल्प कर देगी, सॉर्टेड.
सेम एग्जाम्पल विद फिटनेस. 1 दिन किया, 2 दिन किया, 3 दिन किया, 4 दिन किया, 5 दिन किया, 1 हफ्ता कर लिया,
हाँ.
ठीक है, 1 हफ्ते के बाद अभी भी वैसी लग रही हूँ. Obviously, it's the power of compounding that is going to get you results.
Exactly.
Time and again. You keep doing that, you keep eating the right nutrition as in a well-balanced meal, and you will get the results. Like, it is going to happen. It's not going to happen in one day, because I see that a lot. Like, especially, I'll not go, clients तक तो मैं जाऊँगी नहीं, वो तो बहुत दूर है, वो बहुत अच्छे से execute करते हैं. But I'm going to talk about घर पे, you know. Like, the closest example is my dad. Like, he'll do his nutrition for 3 days and he's like, फर्क तो पड़ नहीं रहा. तो उनमें की गवा कि क्यों नहीं पड़ रहा, you know. So there has to be like consistency. You got to put your head down and you got to suck it up, like in simple language.
And good things will happen.
Yeah.
Stack mini wins every day, and eventually big wins and big goals will be accomplished.
Absolutely.
That's what I live by, to be very honest. And I wouldn't have it any other way. That being said, I would want you guys to write in the comments one thing that you are grateful for today, you know. And if somebody reads that comment, if they're having a bad day, they can actually look and read your comment and feel better, because small things, when expressed in gratitude, really go a long way.
I would also like to say that a lot of people who watch these videos have not subscribed to us. So please subscribe to us, because apparently YouTube only loves us if you subscribe to us.
That's true.
So if you really love us, because you watch our content and we know you love us, please subscribe to our channel and tell us that you love us by subscribing to us. And this is me saying bye-bye to you.
This is me signing off. Thank you very much. Welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you guys. Pleasure doing